UNI-T mastered the balance between performance and size. Introducing UT125C pocket-sized digital multimeter. 10 cm long, weighs 180 grams, similar to a smartphone. It can be easily carried anytime, anywhere. UT125C features auto range, overload protection with a 500 mA 600 volt fast-acting fuse and non-contact voltage detection to easily detect live circuit for safety awareness. When detecting voltage signals, the NCV indication light will light up. UT125C is both CE and ETL certified, with CAT3 600 volts safety and 6000 volts in-rush current ratings. The meter can test electrical parameters of large distribution boxes. It is professionally designed with ABS coating for drop-proof protection. Probes can be kept in holder to avoid injuries or damages. Removable probe caps for deeper testing points. Probe holder allows convenient measurement methods. Fixed probe installation prevents meter damage from wrong probe's insertion. Probes can withstand 8 kg pull. The meter is tested with 10,000 times of 1 kg load swing. Very low power consumption circuit with a standby time of up to 1 year.